The club football season is well underway, but now we've got the first international break coming up, with Wales facing 2 matches in September. We travel all the way to Kazakhstan for a World Cup qualifier in Astana, before a friendly against Canada in Swansea. Gaffer Craig Bellamy has announced his squad, with a few notable names left off the team sheet. In my memory, I can't remember a boss leaving a healthy Aaron Ramsey out of the squad, but the man now plying his trade out in Mexico is set to miss out.
He hasn't played enough football over a period. It would be not fair to call him travel all the distance, time difference, then travel against Kazakhstan, time difference, and expect him to play any type of part in that after being out for so long. And with the injury, especially with the hamstring, it wouldn't be. It would be responsible from us to be able to do that or expect anything from him.
Leeds captain Ethan Ampadu is also out through injury, and Bellas has said that it's a big miss for the side. Wales has a decent depth in the squad generally, but at Ethan Ampadu's position, the boss says that we'll struggle to replace him.
It's an area, we have 1 or 2 areas that we don't have depth, which we need to. If we want to be an international team, we need to have depth. So we need to be producers. We can't produce them, but we need to have an eye on who's the next one in that area, who's this one. And it really has to be a thought process into that, because when even we lose someone like Ethan, of course, not just with his quality, the numbers that come underneath it need to be there as well. To be a strong nation, to be qualifying, to be having an effect in tournaments, you need that.
Kazakhstan is about as far as you're ever going to travel for a European match. They're geographically, technically considered in Asia, but play in UEFA, so the team will have a mighty trip out close to the Chinese border next week, and despite the difficult logistics, Craig Bellamy says that he's relishing the chance.
Every nation's the same. We know this. There is no excuses. You want to qualify for a major tournament? This is a difficult trip, so it should be. And then if we get the result we're looking for, then it gives us a good opportunity to keep progressing. But at the same time, we knew this trip was coming. Be preparing for this. Now, if this would have been this time last year in my first game, then it's a really difficult one, because we play Thursday training. Maybe we might get 1.5 training sessions leading into this.
Every game can be a difficult one, especially in international football. So the manager says he wants to see his players step up and stare the tough fixtures in the face. Because if the trip out to Kazakhstan proves too much, then we can kiss the World Cup next year goodbye.